Hey everybody, this is Brian from Florida Overlanders, and today we're going to do an unboxing of this new solar panel. It is a Lensun Solar. It's their 200 watt. We're going to be installing this on our Tacoma build this year. So this will give us, we already have one 200, this will give us 400 total watts on the roof. And then we also have a 100-watt portable panel that can be put on the ground anywhere where the sun is. So let's get to this. We're going to undo this, see what it looks like. Unbox it. Oh, I see. Okay. Got it. We'll find where it's top of the box is. And then we can open it. Easy. That's it. Wrapped really well. Looks like a nice foam. Turn this up this way. Should pull out. All right. Wrapped in double cardboard and then foam on the corners, which is awesome to protect it. So let's see here. I apologize, it's taking a little long. This thing is wrapped really well. All right. As you can tell that something takes a while to unbox. It's probably packed pretty well. And this is packed really well. Almost there. It's like a unboxing challenge. One more. There we go. Let's take that out. There you have it. This is actually supposed to be a little more flexible than the older model. Sorry for my back shot there. We have some all right. Definitely a challenge to get this out. So there we have it. This thing is actually pretty light. Yeah, really cool. Like the all black look. This looks really cool. Over here, let's take a quick look at that, and let's go and put this on the roof of the truck. So yeah, we just got the LensunSolar. This is the new 200 watt panel. We installed it on our roof. The second one is also another 200 watt LensunSolar. So what we did for insulation on this is we put down some black vinyl on the Go Fast camper first, and then we did double-sided tape underneath of it, and then we ran a silicone to seal it off, which runs all the way around that there. So let's check out the other connection on the front. So this, looking at it from the front, wires running along the side. We did flush mount both of these off to the passenger side. If you'll notice, there's a gap over there open, so when we carry our gazebo, it doesn't block the solar panels. And then we just have it running around the front of the Go Fast. And it runs in through the side over here.